What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark, but not your father's capital. Let's talk to the big boys, right? Let's talk some internet computer protocol, some ICP, some Solana. Here in this video, we're going to rival them against Bitcoin in this very fascinating article. We'll take a quick dive in the trading view and give you guys my thoughts and get you on your way. But as always, guys, make sure you all subscribe down below. If you hold any of these cryptos, let's get a little battle going down below in the comments. Put that ICP or that SOL down below in the comments box if you hold any of these cryptos, and let's get this video started, all right? And as always, guys, not financial advice, so please do your own research and due diligence with all things crypto and financial. But what we've seen is Solana, ICP rallying up over 49% against Bitcoin since the SEC labeled them as securities. Now, what's important to understand is this article I took for the argument that I'm going to pose to you guys in this video is dated back on January 24th. So anything we see from a price perspective, please disregard it. But I'm going to break down some of the key points, and actually I'll get those numbers off your screen, and we'll take a more in-depth, quick look at the charts. We're going to look at both the Solana and ICP charts and show you exactly what's going on within those cryptos and kind of point out some interesting things on that front. So make sure you guys all stick around till the end. But this is where we've seen Solana, Cardano, Near Protocol, Filecoin, and others basically on this chart get labeled as securities along with Algorand and a few others, okay? So this will fall under SEC regulation. Binance, Coinbase clearly defending their positions against the United States in this regard. But I don't want to make this a whole legal discussion. I'm just trying to break down this for what you're seeing within how this graphic is defining how Bitcoin is trading alongside these assets that are named securities, okay? Cardano is probably the best example, which lost about 41% of its value within this race against Bitcoin, guys, where you can see that going down. But we've seen this performance since the Coinbase and Binance SEC lawsuits as well. So I'm going to point out these couple graphics here brought to you guys by this trading view graphic here, and this overlay, guys, is something very, very special. So here's what we're looking at, okay? So here you can see Bitcoin basically continuing its surge, continuing to go up, and all of these other cryptos below on this list, right? So that's where we have the list, and I'm going to try to zoom in for you guys. You can see exactly what I'm talking about. Chiliz, AXS, Dash, Filecoin, Flower, ICP, Mana, Near, Nexo, Sand, as well as Solana and Cardano, okay? And then you can see these timelines coinciding with how these cryptos were going down a little bit. Bitcoin was ascending. So they basically, a little bit of, you can see the trading volume, the volatility, right? These very high, sharp peaks and troughs, right? Kind of not what you want to see when this goes flat and downhill. And then we awaited the Binance and Coinbase lawsuits. So I'm guessing in this period in time, I bet you the March towards June really correlated with in anticipating and some kind of inside information where people knew these lawsuits were coming as Bitcoin continued to ascend, as well as what we've seen from, I believe this is Solana, that ascended as well alongside Bitcoin. So those are the two outliers, right, within this graphic. The likes of these other cryptos on this list really saw a strong decline, and now we're seeing the volatility kind of pick up as we start January of 2024, which is a good sign. All right, it's a good sign. Crypto started to go up, and you can see this very evident within the chart. Okay, but we're still down from basically where we were back at in the start of 2023. So that graphic is very, very interesting to put it all in perspective, to see how everything correlates, how it runs with Bitcoin, and how that real time base within the Coinbase and Binance lawsuit stacks up. Okay, so that's what we've seen, and this is where the performance, where we've seen within ICP, within Solana, and as well as Near Protocol are up 286%, 265%, and 145%, respectively, during the same time frame since the lawsuit. Since the lawsuit has basically been defended by Binance and Coinbase. Okay, and this is this graphic right here, guys, where I'm going to show you on your screen. If I can zoom in, apologize for the delay, but here is this graphic, guys, where you can see Solana and as well as ICP in red going alongside this ETF approval and some of these real true court cases right here where you can see the filing versus the SEC with Grayscale. So it's kind of nice to put these against these time bases where you can see these really strong rumor mill, buy the news, sell the news events that we have in crypto all too often. And that's really where you see ICP and as well as Near and Solana really ascend in comparison to some of the other cryptos out there. Okay, but that's what I got going on. Let's take a quick dive into the charts. You can see Solana right here, right now, trading hands at 97.98. This is also some of the plays and strategies that I've been looking to execute within my own crypto trading portfolio, as well as some of my longer positions, just really stacking that alongside of some swing trading along the ways. You'll hear me talk about my trading indicator, xtalgo.com. I'll put a link down below in the description with a promo code for 20% off, 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. But guys, it simply works, and with transactional fees, in the 10s plus, 20 plus, 30 plus, 40 plus, whatever you want to pay in gas, so on and so forth, you get the picture. Just for a little over $1 a day, guys, it simply works. And you can see right here, momentum up flash for Solana around $97, and getting as high as 101 before we got a momentum down flash at 99. So even then, guys, you still were able to lock in a little bit of a profit if you're into the swing trade, if you want to execute trades. There's some better examples I can show you guys, but these are just 45-minute candles. But guys, it's something I use on every one of my trades. Truly works. And then we can take a look at ICP, which is a way better example where momentum up flashed at $11.56. And look at this ascension, guys, really surging on the charts. And if you were able to lock in that trade right here where we currently are trading at around $13.21 as we currently speak, guys, that's a 14.72% gain in less than 48 hours. Simply why I use xtalgo.com. It's not a crystal ball, but I use it on every one of my trades, guys, and it simply works, okay? So that's what I got going on. I hope you guys all check out xtalgo as well as enjoyed what I had to bring to you guys within Solana and ICP, kind of defecting from the rest of the market and going in their own path as we have all these sell the news, buy the rumor events within the broader crypto landscape. Basically, it's been a good start to 2024. The news has been hot. It's been frequent, and the volatility, the trading volume has been there. We just got to get some stable footing, guys, and then I think we could really start this bull cycle that everybody's eagerly anticipating. So that's what I got for you in this video. Make sure you guys all subscribe on your way out. Let me know your thoughts down below as well. We'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.